Ready to master AI faster than you can say artificial intelligence? AI sounds like something from the future, right? But guess what? It's already all around us. From smart assistants like Siri and Alexa to Netflix suggesting your next binge watch, that's AI at work. So what is AI exactly? It's when machines learn from data and make decisions. Think of it like teaching a dog new tricks, except the dog is a computer. Here's the cool part. You don't need to be a genius to get started. Even learning a bit about AI can open up a world of possibilities. Start with basic concepts like algorithms and neural networks. So, roll up your sleeves and dive in. In no time, you'll be chatting about AI like a pro. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Happy learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating field that combines computer science, data analysis, and machine learning. It's not just for tech experts or scientists. Anyone with curiosity and a willingness to learn can dive into AI. AI is already making our lives easier in countless ways, from translating languages in real time to tracking our fitness goals. It powers navigation apps, self-driving cars, and even drones that deliver packages to our doorsteps. At its core, AI is about creating systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes problem-solving, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Machine learning, a subset of AI, involves training algorithms to learn from and make predictions based on data. The possibilities are endless, from virtual reality experiences to augmented reality applications that enhance our daily lives. If you're new to AI, start with online courses, tutorials, and books that break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand lessons. Attend workshops and conferences to connect with experts and enthusiasts who share your interest. Get hands-on experience by working on projects, whether it's building a simple chatbot or developing a more complex AI system. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing yourself to learn and grow. The journey to mastering AI is an exciting one, filled with opportunities to innovate and make a difference. So, embrace the challenge, stay curious, and enjoy the adventure. Happy learning!